Welcome to our tutorial on completing a yearly profit and loss statement using Excel. First, let's get familiar with the template. Here, you'll input your revenue, including sales and other income, as well as expenses, such as operating costs and taxes. Begin by entering your revenue. This includes all sources of income for the year, such as sales, services, and other revenue streams. Next, input your expenses. This includes all costs incurred in running your business, such as rent, utilities, wages, and supplies. Now let Excel do the heavy lifting. Utilize formulas to subtract total expenses from total revenue to calculate your net profit. Review your profit and loss statement to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, you're ready to finalize and share this vital financial document. And there you have it. Completing your yearly profit and loss statement in Excel is a breeze. With the right template, don't have a template, you can download your free profit and loss template on our website.